Hey there, my friend Will here over at FXAUUSD.com. First of all, welcome to the video, and I hope you're doing fantastic wherever you are in the world. And as you see from the headline, of something very, very powerful and very, very excited to share this with you today. It is how to automate your price action trading. Now, one of the hardest things, most difficult things when it comes to trading price action is knowing when to get into the market, and also one of the biggest problems is missing out on trades, missing out on entries, as not being at the computer screen when it comes to getting into the market. So what I've actually done is I've built an EA based on my TraderX system, this one here. And what we do, we incorporate this into our price action trading. So if you've gone through my Udemy course, you'll know what I mean. We analyze the market, we draw our zones, and then we add the robot to the time frame we want to take signals on in the on the charts. So what I'm going to show to you now is how it actually works. So we're going to start off with swing trading. We're going to look at the swing trading aspect, and we're going to show you how you can do it intraday. So as you know, swing trading, we're going to take our zones of the monthly and the weekly. And voila, so we're going to start off on the Euro USD. Let's get my drink of water here. And I'm going to share with you how you can actually automate your trading so you can get into the market at the right time. So, I'm going to draw our monthly zone here. So, this, as we know from the price action course, this is a monthly area here. This caused this high. Here, and we know this here is an area here on the chart where prices just hit. So these are two areas at the minute that are working on the Euro USD. Okay, so we're going to zoom into the weekly. We'll just zoom out here, just move this price, draw some zones within the weekly, and here, and this area was the actual area that caused this high. We're going to draw this. Okay, voila. Now we've got our zones drawn. What we've got to do really now is wait for a daily signal or a 4-hour signal to actually get into the market. Okay, you can see it's come down into this area, and it's hit it. If you look at the daily, we actually have a wee small daily zone within this here. Let's just hit now. Okay, so I'm looking at this. I'm going, okay, what is the best time frame to take signals on? And it will be the 4-hour and the 1-hour charts. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is going to show you the TraderX system. So the TraderX system gives us signals, as you know here, buy signals, buy signals, buy signals here. Okay, so the ACE robot is programmed to take these signals when we get them. Okay, so it's not going to take all the sell signals, it's not going to take all the buy signals. Okay, we've analyzed the market. I know it's coming into these daily and weekly areas. I'm only looking to buy the market as it comes down in. Okay, so I'm going to go to my expert advisor, which is here. And first, I'm going to choose a time frame. I'm going to look at the 4-hour chart. And I'm going to put my properties on here. Sorry, expert advisor properties. I'm going to go to common. I'm going to go to, it says only short here, I'm going to go to only long. So I'm only looking to enter the market long here in the Euro USD. See here. Okay, and I'm going to want to take signals on the 1-hour and the 4-hour charts. So what I'll do, I'll open 2 charts. We'll have another. So I'll just do file, new chart, Euro USD. Go to template, new price, just take these off. Okay, and I'm going to go to the 1 hour chart. We know on this from yesterday I was only looking to take buy signals this week on the Euro USD. Again, similar story to the robot, just expert advisors, properties, only long positions. Okay. This next, I'm going to analyze the market. I'm going to go, okay, where am I looking to target and where's my stop loss going to be? So my stop loss is going to be under this zone here, which is we'll just do it from here. So stop loss is going to be under this daily zone here. Which is roughly around 179,800, 179,750. Okay, 179,750. So I'm going to go to the robot from where it really entered here, 179,50. Just analyze how many. So say 80 pips. So my stop loss on this one. So I'm going to go to expert advisors. I'm going to go to properties. I'm going to go to inputs. I'm going to go to my stop loss. I have it really set at 100 pips to 300 pips for the swing trading, but 100 pips. And my target, if you look at this, my first easy target was up here. Last area that caused the last low, which was actually hit yesterday. Okay, so my target from here would have been 100 pips. So you go to the expert advisor, you go to properties, and you go to take profit is 100 pips. Okay. So that's the robot program. So what's going to actually happen is you'll have it open on the 4-hour charts. And as these signals happen, coming into the zones, not these ones here, you would have analyzed the market as it came into the zone. It will take these buy signals automatically. So you don't have to worry about when to get into the market. You just have the robot loaded onto the charts. You have a program in the direction you want to trade, which is up, and you've got this, you know where you're going to get out of the market, which is just below this zone if it comes down, and you know where your first easy target is. And if you want to target, once it comes up, you can target a second target, which is up here. So it's up to you completely. For me, if you've got it in autopilot, you just want to target the first easy target. First easy target's here, which it hit, and would have been off a 1-hour signal yesterday. And you can see a nice 100 pip move there from this entry, and the robot gets us in automatically. So you make sure you have auto trading on. The robot will get us into the market. I think this was here automatically. You see a nice 90 pip move up to the first easy target. So what it does with it stops, it helps you to get into the market, and it helps you to get out of the market automatically. So you don't need to be at the computer screen. You just analyze the market for 30 minutes in the morning if you're swing trading. Know which pairs you want to be trading. Program your robot, just put in the settings in the robot, and let it wait for the signals to happen for you. So if it doesn't get a signal, it won't enter the market. If it gets us back, and it won't take these sell signals, it only take these buy signals. So it will. For its longer term, you can see we've just got a trade day signal on Thursday on the daily. So this robot, the EA will actually enter this trade here yesterday, and the first target's going to be up here. So it is of that daily signal. It's going to target up there. This is for, so the monthly and the weekly, and you take daily and 4-hour signals. Let's analyze another pair. So USD Swiss franc. Okay. We know we've done our weekly area up here. We've got our monthly above that. Here, we've got our weekly. Prices coming into the weekly. Here, we're looking for daily and 4-hour signals coming into as it comes into. So we've analyzed the market in that day. We're looking at the daily, so we'll look at the USD Swiss franc. See here, where it took the signal here. Up here, it's got us into the market here automatically. Our first easy target. Remember, our stop loss is just above the zone here, which would have been 40-50 pips. And first easy target is down here. Just look at this 4-hour. First easy target is down here somewhere. What you do, you go to properties, go to expert advisors, go to properties, go to common. We're only looking to short the market. We go to inputs, stop loss, say 60 pips. You can always have it set at 100 if you want. 60 pips, and our take profit is 60 pips. So close this candle, the arrow stays, the robot will enter the market for us, and it will just continue down until it hits a stop, until it hits its take profit. If you're trading the daily signal, so has it had a daily signal? Signal. No. So once it'll take a daily signal, something happens, it will target this area. You just change your stop loss to these areas down here. So you need to know how to analyze the price action. So if you've got the Udemy course, you can do it. Look at the USD CAD. Okay. Look at the monthly. We have our monthly zone here. We have another monthly zone here. I don't draw all the zones, I just draw the two areas that are in control really. At the minute we have this zone. Okay, these two in control. We zoom into the weekly. We have small weekly here. Another weekly here where it's just hit. Okay. Nothing really there. So these two really just hit this, hit the here. We'll zoom into the daily. Okay, we've got this area in the daily here. We're looking at, it's actually broke up through it. We have this area within the daily here. This area up here. Okay, so we've analyzed the market for this. Nothing's really happening on it because you have to wait for it to come up to here or down to here. So I'm going to look at this last move here. Okay. What we look for here is daily or 4-hour signals, and our first easy target will be here and here. Okay, so let's look at the ACE robot. Did it give signals down at these areas? And if you look at the daily actually gives us a signal here at this area here. Okay, so just loaded that onto the chart there, and you can see this would have been an area we're looking for. It's a weekly area. We look for the daily within the weekly, which is here. So what the robot does, is we simply would have had our like this. We know we're going to put our stop loss, which is down here under the zone, which is a 25. So look at here. So say again 100 pips on our first easy target. If once this trade entered was here, 150 pips. So what you do is we would have the expert advisor properties. We have our take profit is 150 pips. Stop loss 100 pips. Go to common. We're only looking to when we look at this at point when we look to enter long positions. Mark comes down into this weekly zone. Gives us a buy signal. Robot enters the market, comes up and hits the first easy target, and boom, you have 150 pips banked automatically and enters the market automatically. For us, pretty powerful, eh? Let's look at another example. And you can see it would actually, if we had it on the 4-hour, we'd get in a bit earlier. Here, if you took a 4-hour signal, had a program to take 4-hour signals, you would have got it in here. Now the version you will have of this will actually take divergence signals also, so it'll take divergence signals coming into the zone automatically. So as it comes down into it, you've got the robot opened on the 4-hour chart, programmed to take only buy signals coming into a daily and weekly area where you'll be looking to take trades. Load the robot onto the chart. Put in where you want to have your stop loss. Just measure the stop loss, and boom, just have the auto trading turned on your robot, and it would automatically take the trades for you. Next, let's have another look at another one. Boom, boom, boom. British pound USD. You can see this here was a nice monthly signal, which is a pretty powerful monthly signal. The robot actually would have entered this trade last month. If you want to take a long-term investment, and first easy targets down here. We have 500 pip move. We're day trading, swing trading, so we'll do our monthly analyst, we'll do our monthly zone. Zones here. TraderX system is loaded onto the chart, so go to the weekly. You can see we had a weekly signal after a monthly. First easy target. So if you're looking at this, you see the market coming up to this monthly. You're going, okay, I want to take a sell signal on the weekly or the daily charts. Program the robot to only take short positions. Your first easy target on the weekly was down here. And see, voila, you go, boom, hit expert advisors, properties, only looking to short the market. You'd have your stop loss and take profit inputs. That is just basically above the zone. Your stop loss is above the zone, and your take profit is the last area that caused the last high, and it's really here. And voila, robot enters the market automatically for you. You've got your stop loss programmed, you've got your take profit programmed. You don't need to do anything else. Completely automated. All you need to do is spend 30 minutes analyzing the charts, select which trades you want to be taken, and just load the robot. So now it's coming down into this, so we know that this is an area we'd be looking to buy at, where price is now. So for a day trade or intraday trading, look at the daily charts. See down in this zone here, price is approaching it. Let's look at the charts coming down into it. No signals yet to buy. Okay, no buy signals yet. So what we do, just wait. We know we're looking to buy somewhere in around here. We will wait for the robot. We'll just load the robot onto the chart. Now we're looking to buy the British pound USD. We have the robot programmed to common, only long positions. Again, programmed to take under the zone 100 pips. Take profit. Last area that caused the last high, last low, which is here. And you've got like a 200 pip move there once you get a signal. If it doesn't give a signal, we're looking to only enter long. Inputs 100, and we've got a 200 pip take profit. 200, and voila. Once the robot gets a signal on the 4-hour charts or the 1-hour charts, well, I go for the 4-hour here. Wait for a 4-hour signal to happen into these zones here, and I will enter the market. The robot will enter the market automatically. Pretty powerful, yeah? For intraday trading. Okay. So we want to scalp, say we want to do a scalping strategy. So say we want to look at 4-hour trading zones, daily and 4-hour trading zones, and we want to take signals of, let's say, 4-hour and 1-hour trading zones for scalping. So I'll just take these zones off. So we're only going to look at 4-hour and 1-hour charts. So we're going to look at this, zooming in. British pound USD, we're going with a higher time frame. So daily, we're coming into a daily zone here. Sorry, here again, we're only looking to buy the Euro USD, British pound USD, so it's programmed to buy. Let's look at another pair. Actually, no, we'll go right into the lower time frames here. Okay, so British pound USD in the hourly charts is just moving from sideways, so we'll have this area marked here on the charts. We'll have the last area that caused the last high here. Okay, I'll just take this, delete this area here. Okay, so these are the two areas in control. This area caused this, and then on the 1-hour chart. So what we're going to do now is zoom into the lower time frame. So it was up here, we're looking to buy down here. On signals, we're looking to sell up here. Okay, so let's see the 15-minute chart. And you can see up here, well, actually didn't hold for us there. For 15-minute and 5-minute charts, we're looking to take signals up here. Okay, where it's just hit in this area. I'm not too sure why the lines haven't shown. So the 5-minute charts would have given us a signal up here. Two divergence, it would have entered the market. Your program, you're only looking to sell the market into this 1-hour zone up here. Got it on the 5-minute charts, looking for an entry. Your first easy target is the last area that caused the last high, which is down here. Your stop loss is above here, so above this zone here, which is just around a bit here, 30 pips, and your target is 60 pips. Okay, so expert advisor, properties, common, stop loss, just do 40 pips, just so it's above it, and take profit is 60 pips. Voila, the robot would have simply entered that trade here, close of this, and we'll be still in this market around 40 pips. and the stop loss will just be above. Now, as it moves in your favor, you can move the stop loss down a bit so it's less risk, but it completely automates your trading. All you need to do is do the analysis for your trading zones, select which direction you want to trade. Let's look at the British pound CAD. We'll just load TraderX system onto the charts, and we've got the robot loaded. Pretty unique way to use it and pretty powerful. We have our monthly zone here. We have our other monthly zone here. Well, really here, this area caused a new high. And boom. Okay. Zoom into the weekly. We have a weekly area here from the Brit exit. Okay. We know up here we're only looking to sell on divergence or signals coming into the zone on the 4-hour chart, and for some reason the lines aren't showing on the. Okay, and up here you would have got the 4-hour signal to enter the market. Here, it's come into the zone, it's come out of the zone, and you get the signal. Not these ones down here. This is the actual area we're looking at up here in the 4-hour charts, and boom, enter this market. Not down here because you're analyzing the market on that day as it's into the zone, approaching the zone. You know you're getting ready to sell. Just come out of the zone, you sell your stop loss. Above the trading zone, above here, and first easy target would have been here, last area that caused the last high in the daily. If you want to go for your weekly easy target, would have been here, the last area that caused the last high in the weekly. Hits it pretty easy. So pretty powerful, guys. So how to actually access the robot and the TraderX system is simply by clicking the link below. What you actually get with the robot is you get the TraderX system here. You get the TraderX system. You get a 30-minute Skype call with me, which I will actually set it up with you, set the robot up with you, set the TraderX system up with you on the call, and I will go over the price action strategy in depth with you, how to draw your zones, which zones are best to go for. So you get the TraderX system, you get the TraderX robot, plus you get a 30-minute Skype call with me. You get to completely automate your trading. You get to enter the market on proper price action based signals. Set your stop loss and your take profit automatically for you. You just have to program it into the robot. Pretty powerful, guys, and pretty unique. Something a lot of people have been asking me for, and it really is going to completely automate your trading to a certain extent. Well, 90% automate your trading. Just have to do the analysis. Just where you want to enter and exit the market. What do you want to buy? Or you want to sell? Put in your take profit. Put in your stop loss, and just let the robot work for you. So, click the link below. Access the robot and the system today. Looking forward to having a Skype call with you, and I'll speak to you soon. Will at the FXAUUSD.com.